equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 7 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the battery replacement process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface with the screen facing down. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery located in the center of the device. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the battery connector, which is usually a small cable attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 3 or 4 screws holding it down. Once these screws are removed, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, it's time to reassemble your Lenovo Yoga 7. Place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Finally, power on your device and check if the new battery is functioning correctly. You can do this by checking the battery status in the settings. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 7. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.